guys, welcome to Simple Lawn Care TV. My name's Jason. I'm a first-time content creator and a first-year do-it-yourself lawn care enthusiast. I'm by no means a professional, but my wife will be the very first person to tell you that I spend a majority of my free time either in the lawn working on it or learning everything I can about it through other YouTube videos or other resources online. I'd like for this channel to capture my learning experience, and I think it'd be pretty cool to meet some fellow DIYers along the way. So my day job is pretty interesting. It involves project managing the video aspect of big music tours that you see worldwide. And with the pandemic going on right now and there not really being any sort of live music happening on a large scale, I haven't really had anything to do for the last year. So basically, when I'm not playing daddy daycare, I thought it would be kind of cool to combine my professional skills along with my newfound love for lawn care and hopefully make some pretty cool and exciting content for people to enjoy. In the upcoming weeks, you can expect to see a video on the Flowzone backpack sprayer that I purchased, which is right here. I'm going to kind of run through that and explain some of the features, pros and cons, those sorts of things now that I've used it a few times. You can also look for a video on this Honda HRX217, which is also new to me as well. I've installed a couple of pretty cool things on it that I'll chat about in that video as well. One of those things being an hour meter actually, which has some cool perks to it, which I think you guys will find interesting. Also, keep your eyes peeled for a video on amending soil. If you guys live in a new construction home like I do, or if you live really anywhere that has clay soil or something that is less than desirable and they're low nutrients, those sorts of things, I'm gonna be coming out with a video with some remedies for that and how you can start chipping away at getting those things fixed and why that is a very, very important part of having a healthy lawn. With that, guys, I'm going to thank you guys for stopping by and checking this out. I hope that you'll subscribe and choose to interact with these videos in the future. I'd love to have you along for the ride, and I hope to see you guys soon. I hope you guys enjoy this little trailer I made of some upcoming footage that you guys can expect to see here real soon. Thanks, guys. Take care.